Mommy, I know some of the flags.
Really?
Yes.
Can you tell me?
Argentina, Brazil, Canada, Denmark, Egypt,
Oh.
France, Ghana.
Well, what else?
Honduras,
Okay.
Italy, Japan, Panama,
Okay.
Zimbabwe,
Okay.
Qatar,
Qatar. Okay.
Russia, Oman, Yemen, Mozambique,
Okay.
uh,
L.
Luxembourg,
Oh, okay.
Philippines,
Oh, okay.
the Netherlands,
Okay.
United States of America,
What else?
Ayla,
Okay.
Wales, Yemen,
What else?
Mozambique,
Oh, what else pa?
Panama,
Okay.
Portugal, Saudi Arabia, Mexico.
Mexico.
Guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe and keep learning.